Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Odyssey, and we are learning brush calligraphy here. So today we are going to learn different minuscules. So we will start with the letter M. So for M we make a thick down stroke, go up with the thin, come down with the thick, and again go up with the thin, come down with the thick letter and make a halfway curve. You just need to remember in this that this gap and this gap and this gap will be same. In that way your M looks beautiful. Now come to the letter N. So for N we make a thick down, thin up and thick down again and make a compound curve. And like M, we need to remember the gap we are making should be same. And M and N both are made with a compound curve. Now let's make R. So for R, we start from the bottom, go up, make a loop and come down with a thick stroke and make a curve. Next we will make letter V. So for V we will make thick down stroke, go up with the thin and make a loop. That's how we will get RV. Now X is a beautiful letter here. So how we can make X? We will make a compound curve, a little thicker version of compound curve, and go down and make a long upstroke like this. And then make a letter Z. So how can we make Z? We start from the middle and start with the thin stroke, go down with the thick, make another curve with the lower loop. Next letter we will make letter F. So we start with the thin up stroke and thick down and make a lower loop. Now next letter we will make P with the thin stroke up, thick down, make a loop, and then letter T. So thin up, thick down and make a crossover. And after that, last but not the least, we will make letter S. So we start with the thin line, thick down and make a lower loop. So here we have finished all the minuscules in this video. So keep practicing all the letters, refer my previous videos also, and in next video I will bring capital letters, or we say majuscule. Thank you for watching.